Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to look at 50 real English sentences that native speakers use when they go shopping. Okay? Shopping is a small thing we all do every day. Whether you are in a supermarket, a clothing store, or buying something online, in this situation English speakers use very natural casual phrases. You will hear people asking for help checking prices, okay, making payments and even dealing with returns by time we are done. So I will feel confident and reply to handle any shopping situation in English. Let's get start. At the store, the topic is part 1. Okay, excuse me, do you know where I can find the dairy section? Your turn. I'm just browsing, thanks. Do you have a card I can use? Is there a basket available near the entrance? I think I grabbed the wrong size. Let me check the label. Your turn. Could you grab me a bag? I forget mine at home. Now your turn. This shelf looks empty. Are you restocking soon? Your turn. Where are the fitting rooms? Your turn. Can I try this on before I buy it? Your turn. I'm looking for organic produce. Which aisle is that? Do you carry any gluten-free option? Your turn. Is there a loyalty card I can sign up for today? Your turn. I can't find the price tag on this item. Your turn. I would like to speak with the store manager, please. Your turn. Are you open on Sunday? Your turn. What time do you close tonight? Your turn. Is this item on display or is it in stock? Can I get a rain check if it's out of stock? Your turn. It's take two of these, please. Your turn. Could you hold this item for me while I keep shopping? Your turn. Do you offer gift wrapping here? Your turn. The dressing room is occupied. How long is the wait? I left my car in SL4. Is it still here? Do you price match with other stores? Is the express lane? I only have a few items. I need a new card. Mine has a broken wheel. Your turn. Are there any samples available today? Now second part is asking for help for in shopping mall. Do you work here? I could use some help. Your turn. Can you point me to the electrician section? Your turn. I am not sure which one is better. What do you recommend? Does the come with a warranty? Does this come with a warranty? Can you tell me the difference between these two models? I'm shopping for a gift. Do you have any suggestions? My budget is around $50. What would you suggest? Is this product machine washable? Is this product washing machine washable? How long does shipping usually take? Could you check if you have this in the back? I can't reach that shelf. Could you grab it for me? Is this the right charger for my phone? Your turn. I am not sure what size to get. Can you help me measure? Do you have a store directory I can look at? Which of these laptops has the best battery life? Do you sell extended warranties or appliance? Is there a children's section here? I need a something durable. What would you recommend? Can you help me find a replacement part for this? Do you have a stylist or fashion consult in store? Is there is this compatible with the model I already have at home? Can you look up my account? I'm a reward member. I never used this before. Can you show me how it works? Is there a newer version of this product coming out soon? Your turn. So I hope this video is liking. So subscribe my channel and follow this channel.